Should check out those shipping containers. Some of the containers have air vents. Just a bunch of boxes. Better keep looking. Pianos. That's random. But no kid. On to the next one. Building supplies. And no kid. He's gotta be in one of these containers. Sable International. What is this stuff? Whoa. Hammerhead's got Sable weapons. I wonder what else he has. Well, that answers that question.
Spider-Man! Shoot him!
Hammerhead thugs and Sable weapons. It's the perfect mashup I never asked for.
He keeps jumping around! We're gonna pound your face in!
Felicia, where are you? Another Sable APC. Wondered where all those went.
Want some of this?
Felicia, are you hurt?
Hey, that's no fair! That hurt! I don't like these odds no more! You're out of your weight class! Get down! More like that and it's over! I'm stuck!
APCs, rocket launchers, miniguns? What did you guys not steal from Sable? Whoa, that was close. Damn, gotta clear these guys out and find Felicia.
We're losing too many guys! I'll break your friggin' jaw!
Are you guys sure you know how to use those weapons? Okay, looks like you do.
Got him good! Let me get my hands on him! You got a death wish, huh? Damn it. I can handle this clown.
And that's it. Gonna be sore tomorrow. Okay, time to find Felicia. She said she was heading... Felicia? The vault. Felicia. No, you gotta be kidding me! Tell me you weren't just stringing me along!
Sorry, sweetie. But I needed help to pull off a job this big.
All you ever wanted was Hammerhead's drive.
The entire wealth of the Maggia. In the palm of my hand.
You gave Hammerhead fake drives?
You think he's gonna be mad at me?
So... the kidnapping? Your son? That was all just a lie?
Lie is such an ugly word. I prefer misdirection.
Do the right thing. Take the drives to the police.
Hey, I earned these. Besides, Hammerhead's on a mission and nothing is gonna stop him. If anything, I just help slow him down a bit.
They cleaned out the whole yard. Check the vault.
Time to go. I'll raise a glass to you on the Riviera.
Felicia!
Boss, we're in.
And?
Drive's gone.
New plan. There's a tracker on that drive. Find her and kill her. And if she's dumb enough to go to her little penthouse, I've got a crew waiting there to send it sky high.
What about the drives?
I don't care about the drives. I just want her dead.
Got it. We'll find her.
If there's a tracker on that drive, Felicia's in trouble. Gotta get to her.